This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Vicinity Energy preparing Boston area facility for 35 megawatt ammonia heat pump installation by J.O. Haraldson. Published November 19, 2025. Vicinity Energy, a Boston-based district energy provider, has started demolition of a natural gas boiler at its Kendall Square facility in neighboring Cambridge, Massachusetts, in preparation for the installation of a 35 megawatt ammonia-based steam heat pump. German engineering and manufacturing company Everlens, formerly MAN Energy Solutions, will provide the industrial-scale heat pump. Development company DCO Energy will install the system and perform plant modifications to integrate it with the facility's existing infrastructure, with completion expected in 2028. Vicinity brands its carbon-free thermal energy as e-steam. This project enables immediate, scalable carbon reductions without the need for costly and time-intensive new electrical infrastructure in Greater Boston, said Kevin Haggerty, Vicinity Energy's CEO. This climate-neutral project will deploy the world's largest steam heat pump, according to Everlens. Most legacy systems in the US and Canada use steam for heating. The new unit will supply heating to Vicinity's partners in Boston through its existing 29 miles, 46.7 kilometers, of underground steam piping. Vicinity reports that it has already secured a significant portion of the heat pump through long-term contracts with medical and educational institutions, including Emerson College and life sciences developer IQHQ. By adopting e-steam, these institutions are not only advancing their sustainability goals, but also positioning themselves to comply with local requirements and aligning with Massachusetts' Stretch Energy Code, the provider said. The details. The new system, capable of producing roughly 50 metric tons of steam per hour, will provide heating for a building space of more than 70,000 square feet, 6.5 million square meters, with the Charles River as a heat source, according to Everlens. Our solution integrates a vapor compression cycle with steam compression, enabling the generation of high-pressure steam at up to 50 bar, 725 pounds per square inch, and over 300 degrees Celsius, 572 degrees, the manufacturer said, adding that it uses two multi-shaft integrally geared compressors, type ARG40-8 for refrigerant compression and type RG63-6 for steam compression. Although he did not indicate the energy type, Haggerty said that the heat pump will operate primarily on renewable electricity. To support system operation from startup, Everlens developed an extensive digital twin, which allows compressor stress testing during the engineering phase. Moving forward, installing the steam heat pump is the second phase of Vicinity's decarbonization strategy for the Cambridge facility. In the first phase, which started in 2024, the energy provider installed a steam-producing 42 megawatt electric boiler powered by renewable energy sources. The final phase of the Boston project includes installing thermal storage to support on-demand steam from renewable electricity, according to Vicinity. We are establishing the blueprint of how to decarbonize a U.S. city, and will be installing similar innovative electrification technologies at our district energy systems across 12 U.S. cities, Haggerty said. The company reports already starting an electrification project in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, with the installation of a 9 megawatt electric boiler underway. European projects. Everlens has large-scale ammonia, CO2 and hydrocarbon heat pumps in district heating projects throughout Europe. 3 of Everlens's ammonia units will supply a district heating capacity of 150 megawatts to heat approximately 50,000 households in Cologne, Germany, with an expected 2027 startup. In December 2024, the company commissioned a 30 megawatt CO2 heat pump to deliver heat to 25,000 homes in Esbjerg, Denmark. Quotable: district heating remains one of the most efficient and sustainable ways to deliver thermal energy to commercial and industrial users, said Uwe Lauber, CEO and Chief Sales Officer of Everlens. With this latest agreement, we are taking a major step forward with Vicinity to bring our proven mega heat pump technology to the U.S. market.